Apostle Eric Nyamichan we ye what do prepare the any penny na dai ne kwan sremu sejata Dr. Alaji Mamadou Baumia wono so ekasai se emfa honi wo hawo bebrebe wi ase na bi so tetefare wa mai Ghana eni pipi amanyokuo wo mo show mani mo tentenso wo mo hye enchen botaya wo di si wani so no wo bedru ne krakra mu digitalization a etwe wo mai no efiri amenemu aba kokko so no wo kan ho asem.
Electricity Company of Ghana, today you can buy your credit on your mobile and it is very, very simple. I will tell you one thing. We noticed a very, very interesting piece of data which speaks to the problems at ECG. We looked at the data and for a period of 4 years or so, the revenues of ECG were virtually constant. I said, this cannot be possible. How can you get more customers and your revenue is constant? And the interesting thing was that the value was virtually the same, the constant value. They didn't even take their time to change the value. So we said, no, we need to send in a team to look at the architecture of revenue collections at ECG and digitalize the process properly. So we sent in a team to ECG. They were collecting 450 million Ghana cedis a month. When we sent in the team, there was sabotage. Malware was introduced into the system by people working right there. We worked through that with the help of national security, and we then brought in a whole new architecture for ECG. Thanks.
Dr. Alaji Mamadou Baumia.
And rather High Court as a quatra sending no Yura James Jachi question and I face on the Hons and some Ghana for a heady Beko Akusi. Now a Kamea Quakoyes James Jachi question Samno to send a Yakoyes a Maliba and a Goffer Bow Damin. Some day Akoya Bibi Pa, Nandrada. A bra quarter quatra, see Nibusa, Laya Malabase, what out my Husana one crater as I saw Motum, brought for more can honor, teach my dear Panis here.
What I can tell you is that he's satisfied with the work of his lawyers. He knows that his lawyers are doing all that they can to give him representation which is of qualitative effect. So as for what the judges do, we'll leave it to the judges and we'll leave it to the good people of this country to look at. But I can tell you that he's more than satisfied with the work of his lawyers. He doesn't believe that at all. He thinks that his hands are being tied at the back and thrown into a boxing ring. He thinks that when disclosure have not been fully made, the trial cannot proceed. So for the court to think that half disclosure is enough for him to continue with his trial smacks of tying somebody's hand and throwing him into the boxing ring.
Abraham Amaliba Ayamranimini Edema NDC Amanyokono Deputy Attorney General Honorable Alfred Chaya Buanso Edin Sam Kakraman Central for.
We disagree with them. We are in a court of law. They filed various processes. You can count. All the applications that they filed, they've lost. Why? Because they were not in court to talk law, but to talk sentiments. And we must also take it that the court is not meant for sophistry. You may want to put up all the intelligent and nice, whatever, but you must stick to the law. And that's what we've been doing. Today, as they may be happy that we've agenda matter, Friday will be in court. Whatever step that they take, the state is ready to follow them. We are always a step ahead of them because today you saw what happened. They wanted an agenda because they didn't want to move the motion. But he said, fine, we are ready with the law, but even not the facts. We stuck with the law and we got the results.
Honorable Alfred Tia Yabua, Deputy Attorney General.
Chief Executive Officer Dima Men's Gold Nana appear men's friend and number one and now walk to any the toso eduasa ensia walk na semen was said to the question September bosomeno nida ya etoso edunom prosecute boni ya no obakwadu Assistant Superintendent of Police ASP Emmanuel Haliga and nana wobakot no amane wo bre Superintendent Sylvester Asari and so ejinemu ebakot no amane say enkrata nhihye nyina dra wo de akwa atoni general tenaye ya na wo mo twan se bibi be free wa basete dia emaye entansa be edrum yensa ene yedu egu papa yi ne metri so court no etena se enano ya na mwan ene obegine mu anani mai ni bebe pa ne ya kwanse nkadro kete no beba no mahunu ba bi asem no beka enam so ma ASP harga ede atoja wo kirem se wo tu asem no ede akwa akose September posome no ne da ya etoso aduonum na Francis Owusu oye vice chairman ede ma won ma wo musika akokamu no woni sentwerefo etwetwenkomo
anamu be na implement ya asem kante ebi osi edi adese ye de yesu ya na so ni na akwa kwa yesu buwa enti yo mekan say ni man because of say enu fun kan na this year about Froba it me egina so agizika because the people NTS na apia mention na na kwado about sabi obuni bi be eyo anka bisa anka yetu na mpopo bi ose na patria menza kesika eni mo se tu na apia mention case it said that 56 times na jati case bi ese ye kan abra issue we betu agoma Ghana for ya kuka I told you na saying 50,000 customers more than 200 they omoko what to no mo say e bi dey ka no mo dey ni ade na ewu okura na scale buy ebusun be bra say because the na sika no ogu okura na what is ke kotokura mo na ira ma ne
wo yiri sika de kwato amuna mane na apia so na asha space ya wote wono mfa boga nye so akora won mom sika akwakamu ene wosun
Christian service apone nya mfinsia aduonu moto sa friends am trofo se yemra na yeni nkomo ba ko mienu miensa bi na nkontabuo a kire sa afa apema hankron aduoson ena nim na Christian service apoi wotete ne mfinsia aduonum enie enwoma suam obenfo samke afrane wone sam trofo edi nkomo na asemtia na daso ene se wo hawo ene amane na ye dada ne emamu na ye gina so na yetimi apem ede akoye nimu
Ese ye the courses and the programs are o manu here fufua inni ho sese no ebeba to bunisi postgraduate programs nipa bebre pese won ko anim awa disuamu no ye nema ebini ho sese for example events management and you be brave events be brave course but any obia organa ha or certificate in events management or ibisa nema sano ya fra obi antie no eno na CSCC ye pese de ba ne beboa o man eto so bio ye pese ye ko enimu no etime boa nipa omuye adwuma omuhia boni friends capacity building omuhia entity ema omuye more effective eboa ma omadwuma omuye no etime koso vise nipa de ohwia de wie nese wanhwia bi wanka ho a edehwia wie
we ayangoma suamu obenfo samke afrane president ewo Christian Service University
enwemre bra na no nsia ni kobonu mu na Sompa ye nya ne tie se ma me ne papa no a wodi dwa oketi agya kasie mu ebre so yesu ofiri ho ne toto apono mu no sete dia bi no hyemu di dwa manam so me dia so kredo no akogu dwa no ano mo makam enu nti Sompa ye me ho ye hapa e mo kobode mu ni won mu kodi nkomode ye ya won makadwa no mu no
If you are young, and the man tells you, you know what? Here, Jews, cigar. They
adwarifoɔ no ane gyina hɔ no bi ɛna na wɔyɛ tobe na kwakwa ɛsɛ kɔɔto dan ho abobodi a yɛde bi ɛma mo
na opani a wɔhwɛ edwadie na afenso so no sɛ nkratoɔ ɛwɔ dwadie mu ɛde ma ECG adwumakuo no ɛwɔ Epoye Mantam Abraham Lincoln ɛna na wɔne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ din kɔnɔ kyerɛ sɛ na ɔmo hu deɛ ɔmo nyɛ kora sɛdeɛ amanfoɔ esi atu ɔmo ani esi transformers ahodoɔ yɛ wɔn pɔtɛm hɔnom no kyɛ sɛ wodwene ho baabi a wɔnte aseɛ
akromfa san ko miki attempt ɛwɔ transformer baako so wɔ Kede district baabi a friend of Boma Farms and the best repa say baby will be a crew be a was be a fahon baby or crew no akromfo ni abre na was here and me ni da hose ne be ya e bit me a boy transformers on ban nkankan nadwo say outages biba near wo watchdog committee bia ye mo monto na montentem na omonko hwede ekoso cause anadwo na say nipa bonfo edi ondwuma ke besre mu please mama yina ya mi ni na ho na ye mo electricity transformer ne wo krum ne yodia
marketing manager Abraham Lincoln ewo Epoye Mantam de ma ECG adwumakuo no
ya kwa nsanfu from ababe tojo a wo kyerem se GS fo ene Adisada College hu nsam a na die foni a na ne namu abamu wa bi ayere obi babamu wa akon a wo bu ni komu me wiase nyina kasa fa ho sen koda ne bi wo mo adwenbone pa no Child Right International for the Mirikatente Bratapia ene ne nkrofo ababonte sa ane ene kwa ya GS fo fa so na bamu wa no a ko bu obi ba komu no wo mde ne fa so na ne ntwa yie kra na se obi be ya bone e wo school mu na abeka se won kofie no wo mote ase enye yi communication director Child Right International madam Efuanya Mechekuma abirifa ene wo chechemu na wade to nsentwerofo nso so anim se na enye se wo ye ne sa se obi be ya bone se wo school mu ne ye beka se bi enu nti won kwankwa tena fie na enso weduru so wa ba betwero no ekwan a GS for fast no wo mo agitumu enye yi
so your children's asthma, we have a welfare principle. I can say in all matters, we must consider the best interest of Akolana. If even though Akolana is born, what is going to help the child? He be university work opportunity and also the Akolana to me be say they are exhibiting abnormal behavioral tendencies. If you will say Akolana company has some sort of psychological examination, now we get to the root of the problem. Now you share as here between your customers. Now we emphasize that the encounter in your year and papa in German and Costa. We are just saying that there are procedures and protocols that have to be followed and finally come to such a decision. So
way kasama for Kasadema Child Right International kuma brefa ya mami ena waka say wan kasari akoda ne ye ne ye wa anya de ne so nyese pam no ma ne kotra fi mami o tre school mu bu nkrofo mekom wo
anopai ya da se wo baby a wo ko na woni da so se wo ko ye adwuma bi ne mo mafi entem na waje mizoni bi nyame nhira wo sa kwa no so pa na je 5G ni bi so ka ho mesrawo nyame agya nyame oba wunya bi se ya ahoɔden nko a wo mo nim de pa hu se ampa se wunya 5G ni bi a eyi wo hawo ne amane bia de free ni padua ne mu ne sa yenti no enso to ba bia se bia wo bron Epoye fam tachima ne nkonanza ne mpotemu a tumirika bra Sompa 90.7 cc anopai wo ba onsan ebeka bi anase se bia wo bron na afa so hafo ne mpotemu so ne bia wo tekam e wo sunwane ne mpotemu ho so a wararoma wo kɔ Sompa 98. na wudu akua nyakom ho no mo a wo mema obi na dodo bia wo pe bia no so no wonsa atumi aka wo asante mantem ne mpotemu ana ba bia ya wo hwe TV no anase bia wo hwe e wo Facebook live no so a mesra wo bomaden na je mizoni bi ye kan na yayi ade akyere wo ye kan na yayi ade akyere sebe ya obi mfa asokwa na wa kyenkyere nti mizo no ene da so no kokko no ene ye 5G no ahoɔden wo mu pa mu oduru so kama wonya bi anuaba hodo ne aka bomu a agye ni padua ne siye e wa pomdene e kwan so 0246 270 0246 nana kwabra kese na fi
asante ebo Benedict samu for penny sada na koswe Somali zabebe wo betena kire so de ma infridem wo de me ko nu wonu agina mu systematic kuro yada wonu mabɔ adwuma ye de kase ebo ya brem wo hinini amakrancha da zo ani medin ye solid ye ade ache bia man ya wadubo ache oto aso